so much. Always, whether it's TFC or ABS-CBN or ASAP, any acronym, you are always our secret weapon.
Thank you. You know what? This is my home. I don't belong anywhere.
That's right.
And of course, how blessed can I be? I'm with the concert king. I'm with the king of opium. I'm Mr. Pure Energy. Doesn't get better than this, folks.
And you're also with the people here at the Toyota
Hi,
Arena.
California!
Give them some love. Come on.
We love you. We love you.
We love
you.
Shall we are celebrating 30 years of TFC, the Filipino channel. Siyempre, malaking bahagi rin ng TFC ang iyong karera.
Yes, 30th anniversary ng TFC. 38 years na ako sa ABS.
May fondest memory ka ba? Fondest TFC moment?
Oh, my TFC, well, when they were conceptualized, when they were coming up with the idea for TFC for all the Filipinos all over the world, I had been there for years already. So my favorite memories, not only of TFC, but of my whole ABS-CBN homestay, are the times I spent with Boss Gabby, Boss FMG, RVC, and of course, Tita Charo. Those are my favorite times. Good old days when we used to go out, and ABS was not, we didn't have too many kapamilyas in the studio. I was so spoiled. No, but you know, all is for the best because now ang dami na natin. We're hard to beat.
Not only that, but we have every genre of music, we have every type of movie that they all can relate to.
You know, I think one thing that's great is that after 30 years, if you look back at the history of TFC, it was quite an adventure.
Super.
It had the best of highs and the lowest of lows. But look at what we are celebrating today. I can only look forward to the next
100 years.
15, 20 years, another generation of artists will be here. Your kids, maybe your grandchildren may be up on this stage, or maybe supporting TFC, but that mission to take home, a piece of home to people everywhere, makes them feel like they never left home at all.
And TFC really succeeded in that.
Not only that, everybody here, every Filipino here, and those who watch TFC, for the last 30 years, they all have their own story. They all sacrificed and give up something for greener pastures, for a better future for their children. But they are so homesick. And that's when TFC came straight to the heart.
Touched everyone.
And brought home to you, and hopefully brought a little, all of you, back home with our music, with our entertainment.
Everything we've been doing back home,
above,
they brought to the Philippines.
all the mega moments of TFC, right, Augie?
Naku, ABS-CBN, TFC, my God, dyan na ako lumaki, ang love life ko, dyan na na-establish lahat.
Mabuti ka pa, lumaki ka.
Oo nga, miss na
okay.
Maliit pa ako, okay bro.
Sorry.
Pero mahal na mahal kita. No, but really, utang na loob po namin lahat ng tiga ABS-CBN, ang buong kapamilya, station, buong family, lalo na po ang The Filipino Channel. Sa inyong lahat, mga kapamilya, ang 30 years na inabot po namin. We hope that you will continue to love TFC as much as we love you, and we love giving you the entertainment that you miss from back home.
Aabot pa tayo ng 100 years.
Oo, hindi, i-pray mo na ako noon. Spirit na naman.
Andito pa tayo, no?
Andito ka pa. Ako, ano na ako, i-pray mo spirit ko.
We are always blessed to have you. Once again, the
Yes, indeed, we are.
Sharon Cuneta.
And September 27, the Concert King at Araneta Coliseum, 42nd anniversary.
Let's go, Concert
You
King.
can't pay for these things.
Let's go, CK. And you have a concert too, December, right?
Yes. Don't worry. Yeah, we're doing it again.
Dami concert din.
So many.
My kings are never resting for all of you.
Yeah.
OMG.
Oh my God.
OMG. OMG. OMGs.
Oo nga. Okay.
Alright. Lahat po kami, lahat tayo, lahat ng Pilipino sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo ay naging